I'm going to Perth today. I'm gonna drive by myself. It's the first time that I'm going on a trip by myself. Well, I've already driven to Perth. No, not to Perth. From Perth to Calgary before, but I was with my brother, so it's the first time that I'm alone. It's my dad right now. He helped me do a pre-start on my car, and now he's cleaning it. Just got here in Perth, and this is my Airbnb. This is what it looks like when you come in. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. This is like the kitchen area. So this is what it looks like inside. I figured out that there was no light. It was just there. And that's the shower. It's so weird. I think this one is like a granny flat. That's why the shower is like just right here. And the sink. And this is the toilet. And this is like, I don't know, a study and closet. And they have this one. Oh, they have a fridge. That's good. Because I wanted to make matcha in the morning. Matcha and coffee. And they have this too. But, oh, they have pods. Wow, that's so cool. Tea and sugar. And I'm gonna be staying here for 4 nights by myself. Okay, it's time to bring in my luggages and chill because I'm so tired. I drove 7 hours. Oh, I'm just gonna chill here until like 4:30. For now, I'm just gonna watch a movie. Yeah, that's it. I'm so tired, guys. I don't even know if you can hear me from there.
교수님한테 물어봐. 당연히 있지.
My snack. Go for a run. Yeah, even though I'm so tired, I'm still tired because I have to follow my schedule. And today I have to run for like 30 minutes. Let's see how that goes because I'm still a bit hungry right now. It's my first time here in Coogee Beach. The water's so calm. I want to jump. I got some sushi from the Japanese store because I was craving sushi. I originally wanted to go to a hot pot place, but the closest one is like a 30-minute drive and I don't want to waste my fuel. That's why I just got sushi. This one is like 11 minutes away from my Airbnb. I wanted to order through Uber Eats, but I feel like there's like a minimum amount that you have to spend to order. That's why I just decided to drive. Yeah, I'm so hungry. So I bought this one to make ice because my plan is just to make coffee and matcha at home. It's so expensive to buy coffee and matcha like at cafes. So these are some of the stuff that I bought. Snacks, my agave syrup. This is coffee because they have a coffee machine, so I can use that tomorrow. And then yeah, let's put this one in the fridge. I'm not really sure if it's gonna freeze tomorrow though. Yeah, those are the stuff that I got. And milk and yogurt. And these are what I got for my dinner. Itadakimasu. This is low-key so good. When I went to the Japanese restaurant, I thought that they would have sushi already prepared. And then I asked them to make me, what is this again? California roll. And this one is teriyaki roll, so they made it freshly. That's probably why it tastes so good. Dang, I talk too much. This is what happens when you're on your own. I think this is the first time that I'm gonna be on my own for like more than one day, like on a trip. This is like my first solo trip. I'm doing my Duolingo. 如果明天下雨，我们跑步出去。Okay, bye. Oh. Morning, guys. It's currently like 10 o'clock today. I ended up sleeping at 3:30 this morning, and yeah, my plan isn't gonna happen today because I'm still super tired. So I'm just gonna stay in until probably like 12, and I think I'm gonna go to the gym and then go to the beach. That's my only plans today, and I'll do the hiking tomorrow. Such a sad. I really love sun-dried tomatoes. I need to bloom the whisk first. So, oh, we're soaking it here. Ooh, it froze. Yes. Now I put the milk. And syrup. This is agave. That's enough. I think I made it too sweet. So I decided to go on a hike today. Very last minute decision. Because I just found out that it's Earth Day today, April 22nd. So happy Earth Day. Oh, there's my keys. Wow, it's so hot in here. Okay, so it's gonna take 40 minutes to get to Ellis Brook Reserve. This is gonna be like another road trip. I don't know if wow, it's really hot. I was just chilling all day. I mean, not really all day because I woke up at 10 and then I had breakfast, I had my matcha, and then after having like food, I felt so much better. Oh my god, what happened here? Bro, my mirror was like facing a different direction. So, oh, oops. So yeah, it's Earth Day. Happy Earth Day to everyone. Let's continue loving the earth and preserving nature. So I just got here in Ellis Brook Valley and I'm about to start my hike. But I have to check the app first because I don't know which way to go. Or I'll check the map over there. There's a map. Oh, so this is an easy walk trail. And it's like 30 minutes. But I want to do the 2-hour one. So I'm going to check my map online and follow it. So I just started my hike. And hopefully there's going to be a lot of good views. I think I'm walking the right path. I hope so. I don't want to get lost, guys. This is scary. Damn, this is kind of steep. I didn't know there was gonna be like steep places here. Thought it was gonna be flat. Oh, it's rocky. Luckily I'm wearing hiking shoes. I'm already out of breath. It's only been 4 minutes. Wow, the view here is already beautiful. I've only been walking for 7 minutes. That's the Perth city behind me. I wonder if I'm gonna meet other people here. Because it's like a random Tuesday right now. And everyone's at work or school, I think. Yeah, I don't know if it's a public holiday or like a school holiday right now. I legit thought I saw a snake earlier. Oh my gosh. I thought this was gonna be my last day on Earth. If it is, I just wanna tell my parents that I love them so much. And I'm thankful that I'm their daughter and that they're my parents. And I also love my siblings. I don't know if it was a good idea to go hiking alone. This is my first time to go on a solo hike. Oh my gosh. Oh, I think I have to climb another steep like hill. I don't know. I hope not. I'm already exhausted and I have like 2 hours to go. I feel like I'm on a Stairmaster right now. Oh. Maybe I should have trained more on the Stairmaster. I'm finally going down this time. This feels so much better. I've walked 1.69 kilometers so far. Oh, there's some birds. I'm having a hard time going down. Oh my god. Girl. Oh my gosh, how am I gonna go down? It's a bit slippery. It's been 2.15 kilometers and I feel a lot much better than earlier. Yeah, and I'm excited to see some waterfalls because apparently this trail has some waterfalls. I see some people over there. Look. I think it's a dad and 2 kids. So I'm at this place now. It's really wide. Like, I wonder if this is like a campsite. It could be because it's so flat. That's so cute. Someone made like a heart. I'm resting right now. My heartbeat. Oh, I keep saying heartbeat. My heart rate was too high and I'm almost running out of water, so I'm scared that I'm gonna end up drinking all of my water. So I'm trying to keep my heart rate really low before I continue walking again. Right now it's at 126. So I might rest for like 2 more minutes because it's so tiring. But yeah, so far I've seen 2 people like hiking. And yeah, it's really nice to like be out in nature, you know? Like, yeah, that's it. I'm too tired to talk now. I ran out of energy. I think I can hear the waterfalls now. I really hope there's a waterfall because I think sometimes they dry up. I think this was where the waterfalls was supposed to be, but it's, as you can see, it's very dry right now. So it's just rocks. That's sad. I think I probably have like 30 to 40 minutes left. And so far I've done 4.25 kilometers. I'm at a parking lot right now. And I was expecting to find like a bubbler to fill up my water. But unfortunately there's nothing here. I've done 5.14 kilometers so far. So I think I have like 1 kilometer left. Oh wow, there's a fallen tree. You know what? I I just noticed that this trail is getting like smaller and smaller. Like I'm literally surrounded by trees and plants. And hopefully no snakes, please. I don't want to die today yet, Lord. I haven't accomplished a lot of my dreams. Yay! I can see my car now. Finally, I'm done. I'm at Coogee Beach again. Oh, it's so dark here. You can't really see me. I'm trying to cook right now. So this is my dinner. I know it looks burnt, but it tastes delicious. The movie that I was gonna watch last night, I did not end up watching. So I'm gonna attempt to watch it again tonight.
So the stretch is obviously through the quad, forward, really sinking down into that stretch. Back toe, the left toe coming under, and out.
My legs are so sore from yesterday's hike, and I also have a heel pain on my left foot. This was also the foot that which I got a sprain from last year, so it's probably why it's the only foot that hurts, because my right foot, I don't feel any pain at all. So today my plan is just to eat a light breakfast here at home, just relax for a bit, and then I'll go to Fremantle later. I'll do some window shopping, check out the bookstores, thrift stores, and I also plan to buy some tops because I don't like the tops that I brought, and I haven't really shopped for a while. So that's basically the plan today. It's just a chill day. It's my first time to try this. It's supporting women in coffee. I did my makeup today, but I'm really not good at doing my makeup. And this is my outfit. And I wore contacts today because I wanted to, and it took me so long to wear contacts, probably like 5 to 10 minutes. So now I'm gonna go to Fremantle. Yeah, I think I'm parked at level 3. And I have to pay later too. 2:53, and now I'm gonna go back to my Airbnb and rest for a bit. Hi guys. So I did not end up going to the beach today and running because my calves are super sore and I was feeling super tired as well. So now I'm gonna show you guys what I bought. I was gonna buy clothes earlier, but they're too expensive. Like, I went to so many shops. They're expensive and I don't like any of the clothes that I saw. So I end up buying books. 6 of them are from a second-hand bookshop and they were so affordable. Like, for example, this one is $14. I think normally a book like this would cost like probably $25. I was so excited when I saw like a lot of books that I recognized at that bookstore. So I bought these books by Han Kang. Han Kang is a vegetarian and human acts. I was so excited when I saw Elena Ferrante books too. This is The Lost Daughter, and this is The Lying Life of Adults. And then I saw this one, Before the Coffee Gets Cold. I actually have I think the prequel or sequel of this one at home, but I didn't know that it wasn't the first book. And then I got A Room of One's Own by Virginia Woolf. This one, another Virginia Woolf book, The Waves. I got this from, I think the bookstore is called New Edition. It was $9. That's how I got it. And I went to I forgot the name, but it was like a store that sells mostly travel stuff. This one is called Losing Eden, and it's a non-fiction book. So oh no. So yeah, that was everything. Hopefully this cures my reading slump, because I haven't read a book since last month. Cheers. I got Uber Eats. Oh my god. I wasn't gonna order tonight, but then I was craving Vietnamese food again, even though I already had banh mi this morning. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So I ordered pho, and that's the soup, and then rice. Wait, what do you call it again? The spring rolls. I forgot the name. Rice paper spring rolls. Yeah, I really like Vietnamese food. This is like my ultimate comfort food. I would love to go back to Vietnam again. Hello. So I am going on a walk right now, just so I can have some form of exercise, and my calves are super sore, and I hope that this walk will help relieve the soreness. Walk there. Look, there's like people. I think they're fishing. Not a lot of people. I'm gonna be staying here for 2 hours maybe. maybe. So I'm gonna stay for like 2 hours, just reading, swimming, and chilling. And I think I'm gonna get dark because the sun is out.
Thank you for the assistance. Thank you again for shopping at Unicorn Carousel. We hope you have a wonderful day.